Introducing Gover Terrariums. A closed terrarium is a self-sufficient ecosystem that is created inside a clear and closed container, replicating a piece of nature. It is built with substrate, natural materials, and moisture-loving plants. The moisture in the soils is then taken up by roots of the plants, where it is used for various purposes such as photosynthesis, respiration, and the formation of new cells. It's essentially a miniature ecosystem that it is able to effectively sustain itself with almost no interference from outside. They are indoor gardens in a sealed container. The plants and the soil in the terrarium release water vapor, essentially recycling water. The vapor is then collected onto the walls of the vessel and trickles down to the soil. Terrariums are self-nourishing, which is why they require little maintenance if sealed.